Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you some tips about squad building according to the manager tactics. So it's very important to understand the players and the manager before you build up your squad. So let's get into our main topic, guys.
A would-be hero. Beckham. Oh, would you believe that? David Beckham! Another picture postcard goal!
Alright guys, let's begin into our main topic. So I'm going to choose the manager. So he is Partoki or Partosi, whatever it is. So his attacking style is counter attack, build up short fast, wide, flexible, prone line pressure. Okay, and he is aggressive, guys. Can play if you want to play a counter attack, so you can use him. So if you are playing for tiki taka and all, you can choose position manager like El Roman and all. So I'm going to choose Donnarumma here. So here this is the main thing, guys. Counter attack position, he can play good with this manager, guys. So he will react very nicely in this game. So if you use this player with this manager, so this is the main topic, guys. So you have to understand. Otherwise, if you use the player without understanding the manager and the player, so it will not work. Sometimes it may work, but frequently it will not work, guys. Okay, so let's choose our defender. So I'm going to choose Puyol here. So Puyol, he also can play both position and counter attack. So both are 99. So you have to understand this, and so you can play a short fast because our manager is also short fast. So wide center he can play. So most of the defenders, they can play counter attack, guys, counter attack position, but forwards and then midfielders we find very rare, guys. So Campbell is also on here both 99. So this is the main thing, guys. So you can play both counter and as well as position, guys. So I'm going to choose him. So both are destroyer here. You can choose build up like Van Dijk and all, you can choose here, like delete you can use here. He also can play like counter attack, guys. So Davies I'm going to choose here. So he's the base side defender here. Okay, he can play both position and counter attack, so you can choose him. And I'm going to choose here secondly right back. So here I'm going to choose Desk. Okay, so he can play both counter and position also. So you can see him. So short fast, wide, okay, prone line pressure and aggressive. So you can check him. So secondly I'm going to arrange some midfielders. So Bira is a destroyer here. So you can play both counter and position, guys. 99. So this position and counter, guys, it should be equal to or more than 50, guys. Okay, then only you can play according to the manager. Otherwise he will play according to him. Okay, he will not respond with the manager. Okay, like same in our lifestyle also. Okay, some players they don't obey some manager. Okay, like that. So they use their own tactics. Okay, so here I'm going to choose Beckham. So I'm going to put him the left side because he has a good curve here, because he is a cross specialist person. He can play both in left or right. Okay, guys, you can see, check him. So I'm going to use him in the left side so that I can curve with his right foot, guys. Can use in the right side also, no problem. Third one midfielder, I'm going to choose him. Okay, so he is a good, okay, good midfielder, box to box, Matthews. Okay, 99. Okay, so this is the main thing you have to understand. And now I'm going to choose the forwards, guys. Okay, so here I'm going to choose Lionel Messi, iconic Lionel Messi. Okay, so he can play both counter and position, guys. You can check him. Second one, I'm going to choose Ronaldo. Okay, iconic moment. So position 99, counter attack 99. Okay, then you can choose here Owen or Fernando Torres because both they can play counter and position, guys. You can check them. Okay, so both are 99 here. If you are going to choose position manager, so you can use him also. Okay, you can use Fernando Torres or you can use Owen also. You can use Lionel Messi or Ronaldo also. They can play position. Okay, so you can play bot counter also. They will respond with these managers, guys. Can choose this substitute here. Okay, so Van Dijk here also can play 99 counter attack 99 position counter 99, both are 99, guys. So here you can see the details of the players, and you can bring in the substitute bench. So delete. You also can play counter as well as position, guys. So this is the main thing you have to understand, guys. Okay, so if you are going to choose position manager like El Roman and all, so you can see the players info. Okay, and you can arrange or you can build up your squad, guys. Okay, this is the main thing. You can choose Ansu Fati also here, so he can play both counter and position. But Neymar, he cannot play counter, guys. He is position player. Okay, can check him. And Rashford also. So Kizi and Kiza. Okay, he can play counter as well as position 99. Okay, guys. So very rare players are there. Okay, they can play only counter, but most of the players they can play position, guys. You can check in the game. You see here. Canabrina, his counter attack is only 20. He will not respond with this manager, guys. Sometimes he will respond, but most of the moments he will not respond, guys. He will not go forward. Okay, sometimes he may go, but most of the moment he will not go forward, guys. So in that case, if you use this player, so your counter attack may break down. Okay, so that's why it's very important to understand. Okay, so if you like my videos, so you give thumbs up. Okay, give like and share and subscribe my channel. Okay, so this is what I have got the idea. Okay, so it's very important, guys. You can check. You can choose like Ramos. He is can check him, guys. Position. He is a position player, guys, and counter rating is 92, but you can use him. Okay, he will respond with this manager, but not too much. Okay, it should be 99, then only it will be fully satisfied with the manager. Okay, so you can check DE also. Okay, he can play both position and counter, you see, guys. Okay, so this is the main reason. So how you have to build up your squad, guys. Without understanding, we should not build up. Okay, according to the manager, you can build up the players and all. Okay, guys. So I have finished. I have done with this. So McTominay. Okay, so he can play both counter and position, guys. 99. So lovely. So this is the main squad, guys. So I use in the online matches and all, friendly matches and all. I used to play with this squad, guys. Okay, this is my main squad. Okay, guys. So you can arrange the players' third numbers and all. Okay, set piece takers you can arrange here, guys. So captains. So one thing, guys, while choosing your captains, team captains, so try to keep the players, okay, who has captaincy skill, guys. Okay, otherwise your squad will not react that much. Okay, so only choose the player who has captaincy skill, guys. Okay, so I'm going to choose that Puel because he has captaincy skill here. You can use Ronaldo, Beckham and all, can use him. So we have done here, guys. I hope you like the video. So bye bye, guys.